Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to hide your following list on Instagram using the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram app and go to your profile. If you tap on following, you'll see the full list of accounts you follow. Normally, anyone who visits your profile can also see this list. To hide it, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Then scroll down and select Account Privacy. Once you're there, simply toggle on the Private Account option. By switching to a private account, your following list will only be visible to people who already follow you and hidden from everyone else. And that's it. Now you know how to hide your following list on Instagram.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.